In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the grill emblem on your Dodge Ram. It's located right at the top of your grill. So you're going to go ahead and use a pocket screwdriver, and I'm going to get right underneath the edge of the emblem here. You're going to go underneath the chrome and the black. You're going to kind of work that in and get underneath that. And you're probably going to have an adhesive in there. Go ahead and peel that up. I'm going to go ahead and you can use some epoxy. You can use some glue on this here. You can use some thin double-sided tape. We're going to let that glue cure for just about a minute and then put our emblem on. Now it's been about a minute. Let's go ahead and set this in place. Take a little bit of time for that to cure, and you should be all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.